Okay, hello and welcome to this year's edition of IFFA in Frankfurt 2022. We're happy to be on the show again, and we have put our machines here on that booth. For the ones that haven't got the time to come to Frankfurt, I just want to give you a small walk around on the booth, show you the machines, the news this year, because we have two big news. So this is our new full automatic digital piston filler stuffer, SPT30. That's the news this year on the trade show. We prepared for you to show you a little bit the machine. Like I said, it's fully automatic, has a huge display where you have on one screen all the information you need to produce automatically. Portion and link sausages. Our old models, the F-series stuffer, we have them also here, the 50 liter, the 25 and also 14, the small, with the hamburger and portioner for the people who like to do that manually. So we have now automatic and our traditional manual machines. And then also we prepared our cutters, the 30 liter, 80 liter. And then I will show you our second new use on that trade show, which is the new series of cutters. We have done quite a lot of work to rework our existing cutter series and give them a new design, also a huge display. This will start to be selling in the next year, but you will get some more information in the next couple of weeks and months on this new series. We have two prototypes here, a 130 liter cutter with the hydraulic charging system and this charger, and also the small machine 55 liters, which will be available next year then, and in the back you see the mixers. Just follow me. The new mixer series we presented at the beginning of this year, and have them all here, the 40 liter, 65, 95 and 165 liters. And if you just want to join me, I can show you. We have prepared here a machine where you can see the new design of the pedal as it works. And in the last of our machines are the grinders. This is the machines you already know, but we've prepared that all for you to come here to Frankfurt and see it on our booth. But if you haven't got the time, then we're happy to